Martin, what is it? I'm highly disappointed in you. I mean, this is very unbecoming of a future leader.
What? What?
This institution is a breeding ground for future leaders. Don't pray to the dogs.
Why all this noise? Are you the librarian?
Far from it. I'm a proud citizen of this university. I won't stand by watch its resources destroyed. Not so fast. Not so fast.
So what you gonna do?
I'm taking you straight to the librarian.
You did joke.
Oh, you see me smiling. I believe you creating a scene will be at your own disadvantage.
But you don't expect me to report myself, eh?
In the first place, I didn't put you into this vagrancy. You have put yourself into this quandary through your own deed. You must suffer for it.
What's it? Family fraud or something?
Far from it.
So what's the heat? I mean, what's going on?
The storyline is simple. I caught Martin here, pulling pages out of a library text.
Isn't that a bit crude, my boy?
Much more than that. A vagrancy of the highest order.
Can you believe the guy intends to report me to the authorities? My own roommate. I mean, how? How?
Are you not the very person who committed offense? Doc, let's be a little bit cool with him, you know. He's our small boy. Let's call it juvenile exuberance.
Martin here is no youth. A second-year student in the university. And you still call him youth? Oh, he's 2 years away from becoming a company's manager.
Still don't be harsh on him.
But the right thing must be done. The right thing must be done.
Okay. So what do we do considering the fact that he's our own boy? I mean...
The least I would expect is he reporting himself, citing whatever reason his fertile imagination can conjure.
That's all?
The bottom line. The book must get fixed and be put back on the shelf wholesome.
Tu comprends?
But Charlie, I mean...
Look, I suggest you take this offer. That's the best you can get in this case.
What?
Okay, Doc. You leave it with us. We'll solve it.
Mr. Sebons.
Yeah.
I believe you're an honorable man. Do the right thing.
Cool, thanks.
Doc. Self-righteous sword. It is a year.
Certainly not the voice of a reformed convict.
Oh, what? No, who are you going to ask somebody to?
Where is the thing you steal? The missing pages, where are they in there? Oh, I remember to go.
They're here.
Thief. Give me.
Ah.
Let's go.
Oh.
Oh, I wish I had the camera. See your face. We'll take a shot for the boys. Certainly will not be complimentary.
No. Let me go. Oh, where are you going? Oh, I'll go here.
What's in the hand? Yeah. Every day for Tifno, one day for master. You say they catch you.
My dear Martin, this is very disgraceful. This deserves a court-martial.
A inquisition, not court-martial.
Hey, don't come make noise for you. This is a punishable crime. You forgo water.
You did joke. You did joke.
Okay, guys. Let's have some sanity here, okay? The matter has been solved. At least the librarian is aware that we found the lost pages and we've returned the book, and he's very grateful.
Nevertheless, we can save a brother in distress, but the crime still remains. We must punish the accused for the sake of morality.
Me? Punish for here? Why, the lab leave you for people or something?
Cool down.
No, what this I tried to okay, no, see what?
Cool it. There is a need for reprimands.
Exactement. But the party forgo water.
Over my dead body.
Hey.
Tell you talk to him. Talk to him.
Make it.
Shame. You go thief book, they catch on him. You can't do I try for it. You do I try.
Patience. Look, justice will be served. We will exact judgment. But listen, we should do it in a more civilized and sanitized manner. Trust me.
Now you're being gay.
Entrez si vous êtes saint d'esprit. Enter if your spirit is good.
Director.
Hand of God. Help us.
I can see you are in your boisterous mood as usual. What are you guys doing about that your recalcitrant friend?
Hey! Enough of the pontification. You might have a moral high ground in this matter, but I cannot but feel a bitter taste in my mouth. The words disloyalty, betrayal, traitor, etc. comes to mind.
Laughable. What has treason got to do with this? Oh, somebody destroys university property with intent to steal, and I happen to apprehend the perpetrator. What do I get? Vilification?
Hey. Enough of the high-sounding words. You are no moral icon yourself. Look, you think you're a Christian, yet you live in sin with Chuchu.
Come on, brothers. Guys. All we are having here is a brotherly discourse. Come on.
Thanks for the advice, brother. But I still have to reply Kwame to everything.
Kojo, the deed has been done. What else do you have to say? Come on.
Percy, I'm afraid I still have to reply to that. Kwame, look here. I don't see what my relationship with Chuchu has got to do with this matter. In any case, I don't think a university student like you will classify a platonic relationship as living sin.
Kojo, don't mind Kwame. Look, what you did was right. You showed a certain courage which most of them don't have.
Through that, righteousness exalts a nation.
Of late, your words are good, man.
Yes, I am.
Exalt a nation.
I would like to return to my quarters.
Okay, Charlie.
Good night, brethren.
All right, Charlie. Will you see us here?
The last time we all agreed that human growth and development depended exclusively on the mutually interactive role between the organism's genetic code and the environment in which it develops. In short, what you become is a combination of nature and nurture. This morning, our primary objective is to find out about the environmental hazards to prenatal growth.
This one, you know, like bullshit crowd.
That's because she knows her stuff, man.
Yeah, but sometimes she be too no small, you know.
The period before birth is a most sensitive and important time for mother and child. The mother who harbors the fetus in her womb constitutes the important environment of interest. The following are important in this respect. Harmful substances. The important ones are alcohol, which can lead to small-headed babies. Cigarette, which can cause cleft palate, and many other drugs, both legal and illegal. Yes, Miss I.
Madam, does it mean that pregnant women must not touch alcohol or cigarettes at all?
Yes, if she cares for the mental, physical, and psychological well-being of her child.
So how come some women smoke and drink even when they are pregnant?
Well, for some, it's due to ignorance, and for others, they just don't care.
But that's cruel.
Beware, ours is not the moral high ground. Ours is to learn the fact, and there is more.
Do you now realize the truism in the saying, go ask your mama?
Dog.
Concerning maternal age, the ideal period range from 18 to 35 years. Any age under 18 or above 35 to give birth is suspect and fraught with many unwelcome possibilities for the baby, including low intelligence, perceptual and auditory defects. Again, maternal nutrition is very crucial. The pregnancy period demands higher amount of all the major food nutrients: energy, vitamins, proteins, and mineral salts. The saying that you are what you eat is very true, especially during pregnancy, when the fetus is now developing all the major organs: the brains, the ear, eye, and the liver, etc. Here, the mineral salts and vitamins are especially important. You all know the well-documented case of iodine.
Madam,
Yes.
with regards to the age factor, I know of 16 and 17-year-olds who have delivered healthy babies.
They've just been lucky. Indeed, I know of some women, even about 40 years, who have been able to deliver healthier babies. What we are saying is that babies born by mothers too young or too old are prone to a lot of debilitating medical conditions. You don't want to gamble away your baby's life. Another important factor is disease or illnesses. Suffice to say, since mother and fetus are so intrinsically bound, any adverse effect suffered by mother is a cause of concern. Mother in general can withstand a lot of diseases, Others, however, are dangerous. Disease like German measles, syphilis, yes, Osebonsu.
Yeah, madam, what about common malaria? Is that dangerous to you?
In mild forms, no. But if it is severe, that is, the one that makes you bedridden for a very long time, then it becomes worrisome. Yes, Miss Ayi.
I'm curious, which is more important, the genes or the environment?
Both.
You know, I like her way of teaching. Straight to the point.
Exactly my sentiment. Don't beat around the bush.
Charlie, this woman is packing us too much.
Sister, you wanted an easy ride, eh? You better buckle up.
Charlie, so they make Martin go scot-free.
Where from this? We did psycho lecture. What wrong you?
What a better place to discuss errant behavior.
You need to make you point somebody.
You forgo what I you.
Development after birth may be divided into 4 stages: infancy, childhood, adolescent, and adulthood. Each stage has complications for physical, mental, and psychological development. That will be our focus next time.
Madam, no assignment?
No. Further studies is left to your discretion. You have lots of leads. I'll leave you to your designs. Good day.
She's too low, Papa.
You make you relax, man. You know, trust me. There shall be a manifestation soon.
What kind of manifestation? Forgo what I say manifestation. Could have.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, okay. There you are now, the reformed creature. The test of a man is the test of how he recovers in the face of adversity.
Well said, bro.
Wherever I slept yesterday, I am going to sleep in the same very spot today. First, it was one volunteer. Now, I have a room full.
Aita!
Huh?
Oh gosh. Hey, Prof has arrived.
Director.
Hey, Doc has come.
Hey, Doc, make me see what's up.
Some refreshment and teas.
Martin, a token from my heart.
Reformed creatures.
True. It doesn't mean that I like you.
That's why for reformed creatures. Yeah, reformed creatures. Oh, wait, cool down.
Yeah, man.
Reformed creatures. Doc, make me juice us.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Hold up. Clay.
Yeah, man. Doc.
Penance, a core of humanity.
Sun City, the light lights the park, and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light.